Khulishbun fibro season part kecum tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam Hikai tegidon Lightly Kikam Hikai kibalaj Tylong kabankong one assistant teacher at Saint Vianney RCUP school solaj under STSU Nongpo Ribhoi district Meghalaya kanegade Ribhoi district minimum qualification for the upper primary kade graduate in any stream with 45% for STSC and 50% for general candidate tegidon kam kalongba kademende DLED regular 2-year diploma course lane B.Ed and MTED UPS pass kapi kadai deficit age kadai as per government norms. Interested candidate may submit their complete application to the undersigned on or before 1 July 2024 shitarik July arjar sau kelas date submit application kujung pi ha po ki school awas porlong school te lada pidon kam gijinte bakhamne philaban kontak gini number ladap ahne skitri MC mobile number khandai lai ndriu nyau prasan sausan podbar khandai lai ndriu ar lai ar sau not te gibron kam kilaban kontak gini number kabar kanade application are invited for the post of assistant teacher in Hindi at Sanshinong UP school Lummau ba nokse qualification depende graduate with B.Ed and MTED UP and Hindi as one of the subject at graduation level. Age limit kade life san plus san nong saupo nam tagi SC/ST but life pra nam tagi OBC. Last date ban submit kade long of application form kade 4 July arjar sau te nam tagi jingte bakhamne phila ban kontak ni number lai pra lai nhiều line reu nhiều sau runan. Markabalai kade one assistant teacher at HL Mizo Secondary School deficit kane deficit Happy Valley Shillong 7 minimum qualification kade with BA BN age kade as per government norms. Application should reach the school office on or before 28 June 2024 they can done curtain test pada on 12 July 2024 pilawan kali bene marang le claim batai bene je pilawan kini bene ne number yang secretary kena indruwe ar sawe not way pra ar marang te om bitang BA BEd te ibarok gula ada BEd kilaban gibade ki BA kilaban BA with BEd kilaban late apply te sa kontak number nam tagi jingtep bakhamnya tangini jingtep flashbon